So about a year and a half ago, I bought this old FBI surveillance van from a government fleet auction, and I made a video on it which was pretty popular, but I did film it in a hurry and I did miss a lot of stuff that are in it. So in this video, I'm gonna go back and search it all over again. Now it's been sitting back here for over a year getting neglected. I had dreams of restoring it and bringing it back to a fully functional surveillance van, but I just haven't had the time or the money to do it yet. I am not giving up on that dream. That is why I still have it here, even after I got some pretty good offers on it. All right, so I gotta figure a way to get this thing out of here because this thing is in the way. So I'm gonna have to push that back. But first, I'm really excited to see if this thing even starts. It's literally been sitting around for over a year and a half. Oh man, how am I even gonna get in there? Oh no, there's a flat tire. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, so I crawled through the window. Here's the million-dollar question. After sitting for a year and a half, will it start? Forgot about this kill switch. Ooh, it lit up. You pump some gas. There's actually a choke here. Come on, baby. Amazing. This is amazing. This thing started. There's no gas. Got an interstate. This thing is carbureted. Hey, look at that. It's a microphone. It's got some sort of alarm here. Okay, here she is, a Chevy Van 20. This is a V8, 1985 with only 33,000 miles. I got this from a government fleet auction. So like I said, I missed a lot of things in the first video. For example, look up here. That right there is a pinhole camera. Slick. There is also some type of device back there. I tried to remove it so I can get to it, but the stupid bolt's stripped. I'm gonna have to leave that for another time. And check this out. You see that? That is a Federal Signal huge siren. I'm gonna remove that right now. This thing is massive. Can you imagine this on a push bar? Haha, look at that. I never seen anything like this. This is sick. Now on the roof, there is antennas, and check this out. In the very bottom, look at that antenna at the very bottom. Very slick. All right, let's see what other goodies I can find in here. I put the hubcaps back on that thing. That looks pretty cool. Let's start from the front, work my way to the back. I ended up putting this piece back on here. This whole centerpiece was off the last time you guys saw it. There is a pinhole camera right here in a box. Remove it. Oh, okay, look at that. OSD camera hitting in this slick little box. Oh, and I added this little piece right here. This is a Delta Ray. Let me show you what it looks like. Check it out. Clean. And I finally removed the compartment door that was right here, and I've pulled a Code 3 microcom, which makes sense. These are usually seen in ambulances. This is enough to power that huge siren speaker. And then right here, I found out that it actually activates the hidden lights and sirens. So this was an undercover surveillance van, but a pursuit vehicle when needed, from a flip of a switch. And then this Motorola radio speaker is still hooked up in here. And right here there is a door that leads to the back, but it is locked, so I have to go around. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Let's take a quick look inside. So there's a captain's chair here. There was a computer. Back here was full of wires, but I ended up pulling it all out. Oh, and this was the computer server trays that went right here. So I ended up keeping these passports right here. These are crazy. I mean, it's got the same face, different name, even different nationalities. This guy has been all over the world
some of these countries I never even heard of. This guy was like some type of international spy or something. And the reason why I'm showing you guys, these has been declassified now, so I don't really think it matters.
Oh, and I finally got the back open. So I finally got this opened, and I found out that there are hidden cameras right. Oh wow, somebody stole the camera. So basically it's a FBI surveillance van. Yeah, also a party van. So these things right here are cameras. I had no idea what they were at first. There it goes, pinhole cameras. There goes another one right here, and you pull this down, you can see outside. These walls are super soundproof. I believe this is the little disposal site. Also back here, I unscrewed it. There's like some type of black box in here. I didn't want to break it. Interesting black box there, probably like the ones they have in airplanes. One of my buddies was saying that there's Kevlar material back here, so this van is actually bulletproof and soundproof. Crazy. I ended up adding that TV right there. It wasn't there when I first got it.
So when I first searched this van, there was a VCR, a fax machine, a phone, there was a fridge, but I ended up getting rid of the fridge because it smelled really bad. And speaking of smelling, there were diapers. Freaking diapers. Seriously, just think about this. There are secret agents sitting across your house spying on you in diapers.
I ended up keeping the toilet for some reason. How does the toilet situation work in an FBI van anyways?
Agent 1, can you go to the front? I need to take a number 2 if you don't mind.
Control, this is Agent 1. Agent 2 is taking a number 2 again. Requesting air freshener backup, please. Also, there is little rat poops right there and little rat poops on the floor. I was using this van for storage for a while, and every time I would open it, there would be a rat family that would run and hide. So don't be surprised if you see a rat coming through here. I'm gonna be removing this to see what type of wiring and stuff they have out here. All right, let's pull this down. I'm just gonna mess with that later because that's gonna take too much of my time. So over here they have these cubbies where they probably put their guns, equipment and stuff. This is law enforcement code book. Hey, look, free pizza. Nice. Carbon monoxide detector, probably a very good idea to have in here. And over here we've got old toothbrush, a power box. There's all these breakers and stuff here. Director. So I found a lot of evidence that proves that they were using this van all the way up till 2014. These are like gospel CDs and stuff. As you can see, this door leads back to the front. And right here there was a periscope that probably looks something like this. I found this picture online. I wish they would have left that behind. And then right over here is where they had all their FBI sequences. And there's all kinds of wiring back there and stuff. It's hard to see. Now these rails right here were probably used to hold on or to hang clothes and stuff. There's 3 of them right here. There's an additional outlet box thing right there. Data Pro stuff. There was this audio tape that I found, but when I listened to it, all I heard it was very light mumbling for like over an hour. You could not make out anything that he was saying. This is one of the rats I was talking about. He was also an agent. Unfortunately, he died of unknown causes. Now tell me, would you be suspicious if you saw this parked outside your house for hours or maybe even days at a time? Crazy thing is, back in the day they used to use surveillance vans like these to spy on you, and now they just simply use your phone. They could listen, they could watch through your camera, they could use your security house cameras, they could use the internet. Times have really changed, so vans like these are pretty much obsolete nowadays. I mean, that's what I think. Man, if this van could speak, imagine all the crazy stories she would have. So the FBI surveillance van, what would you guys like to see me do with it? Let me know in the comments.
FBI?
Yes, can I help you? We need to use your restroom. Our diapers are full.